am back to share this wig with you, dolls. Sorry, this setup has been like every video recently this week that I filmed. But I wanted to come back and show you guys this hair. This is the hair that I got from Youmily hair, which is an Amazon seller. If you guys remember, I had got that wig from Amazon and it was really inexpensive. This is that same wig. I will put all of the details in the information box down below, as well as I will link the initial video as well. So this is that same hair, and if you guys remember, it was more like a wavy, like a loose wavy type of look. So very natural and flowy. But this time what I actually did was I did flat iron the hair out because I did want like a sleek, simple look. Like this wig is really simple. I can just throw it on, you know, of course, go ahead and adhere it and then put out a little bit of baby hair in the part area, and then it's pretty much good to go. And if you take it off at night, it will pretty much stay straight depending on if you just throw it down or whatever. So you really won't have to flat iron the next day. If anything, you may want to just run the flat iron a little bit on the ends just to make sure that they're nice and straight. So with this hair, this is going to be like my review on the hair overall. With this hair, it is really silky and pretty and everything, and also the ends are nice on it. The ends were a little bit you know, choppy and a little bit frayed. So what I did do is trim the ends a little bit, and I didn't trim them a lot, so it is still kind of more of like, you know, a messy choppy look, not just like bluntly straight across. I did cut it across, but I didn't go up too high. So the ends still are a little bit thinner than, you know, they're not just full from root to tip like that. The ends are a little bit less full, if you will. So yeah, I did trim the ends just a little bit. And yeah, I didn't really do much layers to it or anything because I knew I just was wearing it straight. But you can also curl this hair as well and wear it in plenty of different ways because, like I said before, it was wavy at first. So yeah, I think this hair is really cute. I've been getting compliments on it and everything. I've been wearing it the last couple of days. Yeah, I do get some shedding from this hair. It's not super crazy, but I have noticed that like if I comb my hair out, if I look on the floor, there will be some hair there, most definitely. So you do want to be careful with that. I really didn't shampoo this hair again though before straightening it, so that could be why I'm getting a little bit more shedding, because the last time I wore this hair, I had wore it wet, like I had sprayed some water in it and just wore it wavy, and then I had put it in the box after I was done wearing it, and then whenever I pulled it out to wear it straight, I did not shampoo and condition it first, so that may be why I'm getting a little bit more shedding. And I do kind of get a little bit of a tangle. Well, not really even a tangle, it's just kind of like harder to run my fingers through sometimes, kind of like not matted, but I guess you could say it's a little bit tangled, not just, you know, flowy. But as you can see, I can't run my fingers through right now, and I have not combed my hair out all day, like since this morning actually. So I'm able to run my fingers through really easily, and I did not comb my hair out before doing the video at all. I just got straight on camera. Like as you can see, I got like one strand of hair out. It's not super crazy, but once the, you know, like you're moving around the tension from your jacket or your neck or whatever, your hair will get a little bit tangled, and whenever you comb it out, you may get some shedding. But like I said, mine could be due to me not shampooing the hair before straightening it, but it did still straighten very nice. And I didn't have any product in it prior to. It was just water and it was scrunched. But yeah, it straightened out really nice, and I don't know, I've been loving middle parts lately. I need to switch over because I feel like every wig I've been wearing a middle part, and my head is starting to get sore in this area from like gelling it and spritzing it down in that spot. So I probably need to switch my part, but I think this is really pretty. Let me show you guys how it falls on me whenever it's straightened. So it comes like here, which is a really nice natural type of length. It's not, you know, crazy long like my stripper weave. So this is how it comes in the back. It's just a nice length, not to my booty or anything, but y'all know a bitch miss her inches. And it is a nice fullness to it. It's not like overly thick. Like I feel like this wig can really look like it is your own natural hair as far as the length of it and the fullness of it and everything like that. Like it's a nice fullness. Now my hair is definitely more thin than this, honey. Like, I don't have no luxurious thick hair. My hair is thin, so it will not be this full, but this will be like a nice full head of hair. Like if somebody had thick hair and they flat ironed it out, this would be nice. So yeah, I love this hair, and it's really affordable. Like I said, you can get different lengths and that will change the price of the hair. So it really depends on what you want. But yeah, I think I had the 20 or the 22 or the 18. Don't make me lie, because I don't have my notes right here with me. So just check it out. I really like this hair. I don't have anything bad to say about it, really. The only cons is that I get a little bit of shedding, and that's not really even a con for me, because that's every hair sheds, like really, like my hair sheds. So yeah, that's it for this video. You guys have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Bye guys.